And with this 2017 Ford Escape, there's a roaring noise coming from, I believe it's this wheel here, the driver front wheel. So I'll be replacing the wheel bearing spindle assembly. First thing I do is jack up and support the vehicle. Okay, I have the vehicle supported, jacked up. The first thing I want to do is remove this the ABS sensor connector here. Just push that tab down and it should come off. And we're going to take off the outer tie rod. Okay, I got the outer tie rod removed and the ABS sensor disconnected. Now I can rotate the spindle, and I'm going to take off the counter with the bracket. There are 2 bolts, one there and one there. And take the whole assembly out and set it to the side, and take off the rotor as well. Also need to take this nut off before I go any further. Take the nut off and take this and this off. Okay, I got the rotor and the brake caliper removed. I also took out the ball joint. This is the bolt here. This takes a 18 millimeter socket, and this one takes a 15 millimeter socket. Pull that out, and that's the hole for the ball joint goes in. It splits here. I just tapped something on here to split it open a little bit and kind of pried this off, because these are original 4 parts, so that's why this clip is here. But spread those apart, and I use the crowbar and push down on this control arm between the CV axle and the control arm, kind of pried the ball joint out. So the next thing I'm going to do is remove this bolt, take out the CV axle, and remove this bolt, and remove the spindle. Okay, this one here is the old wheel bearing with spindle, and if you can hear that little noise there. And this is the, well, this is a used one, but it's a little tighter to turn. So I took a chance, and I'm gonna try the this used one to see how it works. Okay, here's the spindle in position. It took a good wrestling to get everything right. I put grease on the where it slides on right here. I didn't put the bolt in yet, the hole there. Then I put grease on the axle, CV axle here, slid that through, and then you push down the control arm and get the that ball joint in there in position. So now I'm just going to bolt everything, put the bolt here and at the ball joint, and torque those down, and then I'll be able to install the brakes. Okay, I got the brakes on. Now I'm going to connect this ABS sensor. My light here so you can see it. Here the snap is connected. And then finally the outer tie rod. And, okay, this is the complete assembly of the front wheel bearing spindle. I connected the outer tie rod, and so with the used wheel bearing, I'm hoping that this roaring noise stops. So test drive, and I'll be able to determine if the noise stops. Another thing I forgot to mention, I put a new axle nut, spindle nut, and now I'm going to put the wheel on and take it for a test drive.